Magnet driver, a multi-purpose ratchet tool with a spectacular design based on one of the most important inventions in the history of mankind. With full portability and ready to solve any breakdown, carry less and make the difference with your driver. It gives us a wide feeling of comfort, capable of traveling kilometers and kilometers without any type of wear. Introducing Orbit Key, multi-tool for key organizer or key ring. It's a 6-in-1 compact utility tool for every situation. A space-saving, slim profile, designed to sit neatly inside your key organizer. Built to last and made from strong 420 stainless steel with a durable titanium coating. Claw 2.0 is the world's smallest multi-tool for travelers and everyday use. It works as a bottle opener, box cutter, prise tough fixtures, a hex input, and a flathead screwdriver. The blend made from grade 5 titanium, the toughest and most resilient alloy of titanium. It has a rounded tip to ensure there are no sharp edges in your pocket and designed to be the correct incline for maximum force. It uses 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degree angles for the perfect balance and symmetry. Key is a key-shaped, compact pocket multi-tool. It is a beautifully designed multi-tool that easily attaches to your keychain for better portability. It's truly a work of art with engineering that combines everyday common tools into one sleek little punch that delivers endless capability. Key features many common tools that have been used for decades and proven essential for everyday fixes. Key tool is a special tool designed for life. It is light, handy and small, suitable to be carried every day, and integrates every detail of life. When you don't need the tools, they will be put away in a safe condition. It takes 2 steps to take it out. It's impossible to open it by itself in the pocket to ensure safety. Built-in type design, safe, the tool hiding perfectly when you don't need it. The opener with the function as a screwdriver too.